This delicious red velvet cake is the perfect way to win over your lover, or make it for a friend or family member you care about. Start by preparing all your ingredients. Preheat the oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the flour to a bowl along with the baking powder and salt and mix. Add the cinnamon and mix. Set aside. In another bowl, add the butter and sugar and mix with beaters until incorporated. Add the eggs and vanilla and mix. Add the food coloring and mix again. Pour in about half of the dry ingredients, then add the cranberry juice and mix. Add the rest of the dry ingredients in the milk and mix well. Divide the mixture into 2 greased baking pans lined with parchment paper. You can also put the whole mixture into a springform pan and slice the cake in 2 after baking. Bake for half an hour if in 2 pans, and about an hour if you're only using 1 springform pan. You know the cake is ready if you insert a toothpick or fork and none of the batter sticks to it. Now make your icing. After your cake is baked, place the sliced almonds on a cookie sheet and toast for about 4 minutes at the same temperature. Check after 3 minutes and be vigilant. Add the whipping cream to a small bowl and beat until stiff. Add the cream cheese and icing sugar to another bowl and beat well. Then add the whipping cream and fold together. Your icing is ready. After the cakes have cooled, gently separate them from the pans and lift them out. Carefully remove the parchment paper. If you like what you're watching, please click on the thumbs up. It helps us keep making videos. Slice off the top of the cake and place it on a cake plate with parchment paper. This is just to keep the plate clean. Ice it and spread out half of the almonds and cranberries. Ice the bottom of the other half and place on top. Now ice the whole cake and top with the remaining almonds and cranberries. Carefully remove the parchment paper. In Italy, St. Valentine's keys are given to lovers as a romantic symbol and an invitation to unlock the giver's heart. You can give your lover this cake instead.